In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use purple hero fragments in Last Z. So with this guide, you should be able to not waste them anymore and use them as soon as possible with the right resources. As you can see, this user has a lot of purple frags, which purple hero should focus on. So for this, you need to use your purple hero fragments on purple heroes themselves, and you need to make sure to actually use those heroes and you're actually doing the heroes or using them in a way that is appropriate for your game style. As you can see, they use Vivian, Fiona, Miranda, Ava, Isabella, Christina, and as you can see, the advice for this is work on the ones you will use and save the rest for Hall of Honor. You can also check the global skill and upgrade them as you want. Purple will be finished first as you get tons of fragments for that as well. Also, getting the ones that are the same faction as your primary team in the Halls of Honor will give the Supreme a team boost. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.